Back in the UK, I'd estimated a budget between £700 and £800, about $900 to $1,000 US. These costs are just for one adult and they don't include any tourist attractions that would cost you money. In fact, I mainly used the pool and the gym and I went to the beach. These were all free. It also doesn't include costs for travel insurance, medical care, replacing expensive items like cameras, laptops, or flight tickets for emergencies to go back to the UK. In fact, in September, I just wanted to see how much money I needed just to be happy, and I was really happy. Here's a breakdown of my costs in September. Condo costs. Rent was 15,000 Thai baht, that's £350, about $450 US. Electricity was at government rates, that was 1,000 Thai baht, that's £24, about $30 US. Water was very cheap, it was 200 baht for the full month and I did use quite a lot of it, that's £5, about $7 US. There was no gas in the property and there was also a cost for a final clean which was 1,000 Thai baht and that's £24 again, about $30 US. So that all came to 17,200 Thai baht, that's £403, about $525 US. Mobile costs. When I arrived in Thailand at the airport, I got a 15-day tourist SIM near where you collect your luggage. I set up the AIS app and during September I just topped up every time I needed calls or data. Essentially I got 15 days for 425 Thai baht, around £5, and I did that twice. So I spent £10, that's about $13 US. That includes data and calls. I still have a UK phone which cost me £5, which is 295 Thai baht, about $7 US. I had to pay roaming fees for one day just to access one of my bank accounts. So that all came to 845 Thai baht, that's £20, about $25 US. Food costs, eating out. I went to budget restaurants and food courts in shopping malls. Market Village food court is great value and I went there 3 times a week. I also went to the patio or patio, depending how you want to pronounce it, patio, night market, food court and blue port food courts. I ate out every other day and I also bought from bakeries. There's a Japanese bakery in Market Village and that's absolutely awesome. So I spent 2,760 Thai baht, which is £65, about $85 US. Groceries. I mainly bought groceries from Lotus Supermarket, Tops and Villa Market. These can be expensive but they have a fantastic selection of Thai and international foods. I did buy Thai ingredients like rice, noodles and sauces. I bought their bread every day. Ham and cheese is expensive in Thailand, so I only bought that every 2 weeks. I didn't buy from local markets or wet markets. If I did, I'm sure my groceries would have been much cheaper. So I spent 4,240 Thai baht, which is £100. That's about $130 US. So that all came to 7,000 Thai baht, that's £165, about $215 US. Personal care. Health and hygiene. This includes anything from soap, shower gel, sun cream, shaving kits and over-the-counter medicines. Normally back in the UK I spend half this amount. We have loads of discount stores. I mainly bought from Watsons and Boots, so I spent 1,060 Thai baht, which is £25, about $33 US. Shopping and goods. Anything from clothing, towels, small electrical items or a good book. In a condo you might also need to buy small kitchen items. My expenses for shopping are ideally between £25 to £40 or 30 to 50 US dollars. In September I needed sliders or flip-flops, towels and a seat cushion. Exciting times. Actually, I tried to plan these costs. For example, I knew I needed new trainers in October, so that was planned into next month's budget. For larger items like a camera and a laptop, as I mentioned before, that would come out of my savings, so I don't really put that in my monthly expenditure. Transport and hotels. My flight from Manchester and the train from Bangkok to Hua Hin was enough to make me become a recluse, so basically I didn't travel that much outside of Hua Hin during September. I took one taxi from Morves Condo to the budget-friendly Up-In Hotel at the end of September, and then the next day I took another to Hua Hin Airport. I took about 6 15-baht buses up and down Hua Hin during September, so that all came to 425 Thai baht, that's £10, about 13 US dollars. As mentioned, I spent one night at Up-In Hotel. They have a great coffee machine in reception. That cost me 850 Thai baht, that's £20, about 26 US dollars. So I spent 1,275 Thai baht, which is £30, about 40 US dollars.